So we are here today in this beautiful gardenia home in Bixby Meadows in the Bixby School District. This is a half-acre home site community, and the one that we're actually looking at today is well over a half acre. Now, there are three really cool features that I want to show you in this home today, as well as an incredible incentive that's going to save you about $100,000 in payments off of this home. Stay tuned till the end to hear about that. All right, feature number one is a really cool design element that we put into this home to make it so that we save you money on square footage, because the most expensive option in any home is square footage. So what we did is, instead of having a 150 square foot room that's an office, today everybody's devices are so much smaller, everything's mobile, everything is so simple and easy. We don't need a massive office. So what we did is, right off of the living room, we put in this pocket office, which is amazing because you have all the space to do the bills, set up a computer station or media area for your kids. And the great thing about it is that when your kids are on the internet, Mom and Dad are right here in the great room and they can see exactly what they're up to. It's just a really cool feature we call the pocket office. All right, this next feature in the gardenia is what we call the plausible deniability feature. And you're probably wondering, what am I talking about? A legal thing in a home? Well, you know, on those days when your husband is just misbehaving and you want to put him in the doghouse, we've designed a space that you can put him in. It's big enough that you could put a cot in there. We could install a lock on the outside of it. And because it's the pantry in the home, they can still have plenty of food to eat. And so technically, this is not spousal abuse. Look at all this space in there. He's got space to sleep for a few days, food, so you're not really abusing him. What a cool feature, huh? All right, and last but not least is the great room in this home. We call this the natural light space. Look at all these monstrous windows. You've got 4 huge windows on the back of the home, so you let tons of natural light in. Everybody always tells us they wish they had more natural light. The older homes they live in are so dark and not very well lit. This thing is lit up, and what a great space for entertaining. Okay, and the last thing that I mentioned is the incentive we have here at Shaw Homes. This incentive is better than anything we've done in the 38-year history of Shaw Homes. What we're doing in this incentive is, there is a $30,000 incentive on this home right now. And what we can do is, we can buy down your interest rate so far that it would actually give you the payment you would have on a home that is $100,000 less than this home. You heard me right. We will buy down your interest rate in a manner that will allow you to purchase this home and have a payment that is that of a home that's $100,000 less than this one. Now, if you want to, there will also be a little bit of money left over that we could take off of the price overall. So this is the best of the best deal. If you contact us today, you could be in this home within the next 30 days. Give us a call.